Hi everyone, hope you all are doing fine. Today's video is for 1k subscribers because it has taken a long journey to achieve that many and you guys have been a constant supporter. So thank you very much for it. Let's start making the recipe, which is Dhebra. These all are the ingredients: spices, flour and vegetables. I am taking here 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, green chili paste, 1 tablespoon, more will be needed, 1.5 tablespoon salt, ajwain 1.5 tablespoon, fresh yogurt, red chili powder, jawar flour 1.5 cup, also known as sorghum, chickpeas flour 1.5 cup, garam masala, cinnamon seeds 3 tablespoon, coriander powder 3 tablespoon, turmeric powder 2 tablespoon, coriander leaves which are chopped and washed, small bunch of fenugreek leaves, spring onions, 2 lemons, 1 onion which will be chopped, bottle gourd half of it, 5 garlic and 1 small piece of ginger, four green chilies, chopped onions, fenugreek leaves which are washed heavily and then chopped, green onions, chop everything finely. Here is the grated butter gourd. Now in a vessel we are going to add the flour, both of the flours. Adding garam masala, cinnamon seeds, everything we are going to add in it. Turmeric powder, coriander powder, add ajwain, cumin seeds, red chili powder and salt according to your taste. Combine everything well. Add green chili paste. Here I have grinded ginger garlic paste and also the green chilies together. Now I am adding grated butter gourd and all the chopped vegetables. Squeeze 2 lemons and add the juice of it. Coriander leaves. Mix the yogurt well and add it. Here I am using 1 pack of yogurt and also half I'll be using it. No water is needed to make this dough. Only yogurt is the main ingredient to prepare this recipe. Here I am adding other half of it. You can use your hand to mix it or using a spoon, however you prefer to. That's it, combine everything very well. The dough should be very soft. If you feel it is thick, you can add some more yogurt. Keep it for rest around 20 minutes or 30 minutes. Take a round heighted plate and keep the wet cloth top of it. Sprinkle some water. It shouldn't be dry. Now here I have taken water in a small bowl. Take some filling and start pressing from all the sides. When you are doing this process, keep taking some water on your palm. Now for frying, sprinkle some oil. Now slowly take the cloth and keep it upside down. That is how you are going to keep in a tray. Add some more oil from all the sides so that it can flip easily. You can see that the golden color has come. Keep the flame on medium. Again add some more oil, 1 to 2 tablespoons. Beside I am making tea. To make the tea I have added coriander leaves, milk, mashed ginger, etc. However you normally prepare it. It will take 5 minutes to cook the Dhebra. I'll show you one more how to make it. Using some water, you can press it slowly. You must keep trying to make it perfectly. For once it might not come out well. Let it cook on medium and later you can add oil. And when it is crispy golden brown, you can remove it. You should try out this recipe. You all will definitely love it. Here I have taken out with pickles and ketchup. You can also have with tea. I prefer tea, is more better for me. So this is very tasty. You can even try out like when you go outside, like traveling and all, you can take it with you. So this recipe is very good. You must try out and DM me on my Instagram page once you have made it. Thank you for supporting. Hope you like this video. If you do, like, share, comment and subscribe.